truck's been loaded with the vials, sir.
Good. Soon this city will be begging me for mercy.
I have to stop him before he releases the virus.
Looky what the cat dragged in. An itsy bitsy spider.
Did you miss me? How cute.
Bring it, Spider-Man.
Yeah. Hit me up when you're done hanging around, faceless. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Trust the police, no justice, no peace. They got me face down in the middle of the street. Pistol with me with the heat. Chicken shit sizzling, trying to serve me with the all-you-can-eat murder beef. I'm a young black heterosexual male. Don't drink, don't smoke, don't sell. That's the real reason why they want me up in jail. They want me to fail. I resist and rebel. See, I give a fuck about the COP, PIGs. I wanna lock and shake them like a PIT. Cause they wanna see me DIE. See me cash under mob, I'm a pre-OG. Dark socialist, bitches, venomous, vocalist, wrong, holding it down.
Give me your best shot, spider dork. Ha 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 ha.